Guys, never ever choose any optional based on your friends or your seniors' advice, including our optional sociology. See, choosing an optional is like choosing the right pair of shoes for a marathon. And if you pick based on your friend's advice or friend's choice, you may end up with blisters. आपको ये देखना है कि वो शू कंफर्टेबल है, क्या वो स्ट्रेंथ उसके अंदर है, क्योंकि दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ लॉन्ग जर्नी एंड इट कांट बी बेस्ड ऑन your peer influence. It has to be based on logic. And to help you understand whether this option suits you or not, we have decided to organize one workshop scheduled for 2 days on 5th and 6th April at 4 p.m. क्या होगा उस वर्कशॉप में? In that workshop, we are going to have assessment to see whether your background matters or not. To what extent does it matter? If you are from sociology background, should you choose sociology? If you are from engineering background, should you not choose sociology because you have never read sociology and it is not science according to preconceived notions? We will understand these things, these uh, small things which actually trouble us a lot. Secondly, we will also understand what is the scoring potential or the trend considering the past 4 or 5 years trend in perspective. Third thing that we are going to assess is whether the syllabus is suited to your interest or not. And by the way, what is the syllabus? Because according to our preconceived notion, sociology का मतलब हमारे दिमाग में होता है समाज को पढ़ना है कुछ, okay, but we don't really know समाज में क्या पढ़ना होता है. So most of us do not even know, specifically I'm talking about beginners, what sociology really consists of. What is the syllabus? What do we deal with? What is it specialized in? Okay, so we will understand those things. And of course, without this, the workshop cannot be completed. How toppers manage to get above average score? How do they get 280, 290, or 300 plus? We will understand those. I'll showcase some of the topper copies and we will analyze those copies right in front of you to help you understand what are those things. Are those about X number or X plus 100 number of thinkers, or is it about precision? And what do we mean by precision? These small questions we will help solve in that workshop itself. And finally, we will end the workshop with a quick quiz. In this quiz, what are we going to do? हम कुछ questions आप लोगों को देंगे and those questions will appear on your smartphone live, and they will be hardly 20 or 25 questions, not more than that, with 1 or 2 minutes given for each question. And those 25 questions will help you assess whether this option really suits you or not, and what is the syllabus, how do you score good decent amount of marks. That small quiz can help you understand many things. So give yourself 25 minutes on these 2 days, 5th and 6th April. I'll see you at 4 p.m. sharp. Thank you.